Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. What's up? My name is Ashley. Glad you're here. Today, you can see my face makeup is on. I will link all of what I used or list it down below. Tried out some different stuff. I tried out a new brow product. Let me know what you think. It's different. I don't know. I kind of like it, but I'm not entirely sure. But today, I just wanted to do kind of like a summer bronzy eye makeup look. I just got my Colourpop California Love palette in the mail. And this is it. It's just a perfect summer palette transitioning into fall. It is beautiful. So I thought I would use it and kind of just play and film it. So if you want to watch it, keep on watching. Or if you want to see what I create, then keep on watching. But yeah, I guess I'll just go ahead and get started. I don't entirely know what I'm going to do. So we're just going to start out. I'm going to go in with the shades Laguna and the Bay. They're kind of both like a soft transition-y shade. I'm just going to put that on a fluffy brush. This is a JH30 brush. It's a Morphe brush. I'm just going to put that in the crease. Okay, now that I've got those down in the crease, I'm also just going to put a little bit of that mixture also on the outer corner. Just kind of pack it down with this same fluffy brush and then diffuse it. And then I'm going to kind of go back and forth between my top and bottom just so I can get the shape that I want. I'm going to go in with that same mixture again, the Laguna and the Bay. And then I'm going to put that on my lower lash line and kind of connect it to that outer corner just so I can create that shape again and make sure that it extends from my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with a MAC 217 or the Morphe M433, they're the same thing. And I'm going to take a little bit of Highway 1 with just a smidge of Gold Rush and put that down on the outer corner. And then kind of buff it in the crease just a little bit. And then I'll go in with my small pencil brush and do the same thing. Just a little bit on the lower lash line. Alright, so now that I kind of have, oh, my hair, the shape that I want and my matte shades down, I am going to go in with a bronzy gold shade on my lid. And I think I'm going to go in with Diego. I'm going in with a Morphe M421. It's just a packing brush. Any packing brush will work. And I'm going to use Diego. I think this is like a Super Shock shadow formula in their palette, which is awesome because, yeah, it has to be because it's not working with a brush. And those work so much better with your finger. So I'll just kind of like place a light layer down with this brush since I've already committed to the brush. So I'm going to take that Diego shade now and I'm going to use it with my finger. So much more. Yeah, pigmented. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M513 and a little bit of Highway 1. And I will just place that on the outer corner and slightly into the crease to kind of marry the shimmer with the mattes that I already have down. So far, I am now going to put on some eyeliner. I'm going to put some black in my tight line, which is the top. And this is the Marc Jacobs black eyeliner. I know it's my favorite. Okay, and then in the lower lash line, on the waterline, I think I'm going to go in with MAC Costa Riche. I haven't used this in so long, so I got to move the... It's kind of like a warm brown. This is one of my favorite tricks that I've ever used and done, and I do it all the time. I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona Blackest Black. Any black eyeshadow will work, but I'm going to use a black eyeshadow as liner because it's softer, and I can kind of diffuse it a little bit easier than I could a liquid or a gel. But I'm going to take that on my Sonia Kashuk number 27 brush. It's just like their wing eyeliner brush. I love this brush too. But I'm just going to take a little bit of that Blackest Black, and I'm going to, I hope you can see, I'll do it kind of to the side, maybe you can, right up against my lashes to do like a soft. I'm going to lightly carry that all the way in, just getting thinner as I go in and kind of thicker as I get towards the, or more blown out as I get to the outer part of my lid. And I hope you can see the difference. It just kind of gives it like a soft liner effect. That's the best way to put it. I'm going to do that on the other eye too. Alright, and now that that is done, I am going to put on some mascara. I'm going to go in with the Colourpop BFF mascara. See if we like it. Okay. That is one eye done with one coat of mascara. I like it. I don't love it. It's a drier formula. I think I still prefer my Lash Paradise. Just a little bit more. About the same cost. Okay, that is both eyes. I don't think it's bad. I just don't think that you're going to get a whole lot of life out of it because it's such a dry formula. And I do think that I would need a second coat just to kind of get my lashes how I want them. I'm going to go ahead and do my inner corner highlight. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Loose Highlight, and this is in I'm So Lit. I love this shade. I'm also going to use a little bit of Hustle and Glow. This one's more gold, and the I'm So Lit is a lot lighter. I'm going to use a little bit of the Hustle and Glow first. And then I'm going to go in with the I'm So Lit, which is the lighter shade, and really just focus that right there on that inner corner. Okay, and then I'm going to use the same combination on my brow bone. And I will also highlight the rest of my face with that same combination. These Wet n Wild Loose highlighters are so good, and they're so inexpensive. Okay, I'm super glowy, but I'm super living for it because I feel like that's what summer is. We live our best J-Lo glow fantasies in the summer. Maybe that's just me. I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liners. I love these. They are incredible. I'm going to go in with Nonstop Nude first. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Keep It Spicy on the outside. And then on the very center of my lips, I'm going to go in with the Forever Bare. And then I'm going to go in with a gloss on top. And this is the L'Oreal gloss in, it's one of their summer ones, Shall We Dance. And it's kind of like a peachy gold shimmer. It's really pretty. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I have already sprayed my face and everything, so I'm not going to do it again. But like I said, I will list all the products that I used on my face down below. We'll also list the products that I used in this tutorial if you wanted to recreate it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is a very simple summer bronzy gold sultry eye. But I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. I am planning to do a 5-minute makeup challenge. I've got to figure out how to get my brows done because those take like 5 minutes in and of themselves. So maybe that's cheating, but I'm trying to practice before I film it, just so that my brows can be done and something else. I don't know if it'll happen. We'll see. I also was thinking about filming a bridal makeup tutorial. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see as well. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Again, thanks for being here, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.